Hey y'all, my name is Joe. It's Joyce, but I go by Joe Verkinderen. Most people just call me V because Verkinderen is ridiculously long. This is my last semester at Fort Hays. I have been working on my master's in reading special. Well, it's in education with reading specialist. Currently, I teach seventh grade language arts at a middle school here in Wichita, Kansas, and this is my first year actually in middle school because I was working in an elementary school, and I have worked in elementary schools for the last 18 years. For the last 5, I was teaching actually reading. I was the reading specialist. I worked only with small groups with struggling readers, a lot of ESOL kids. I also have my ESOL endorsement, teaching them how to read. I've also gone through the letters cohort, so I've got a lot of information on, phonics and phonology. So this new teaching 7th grade is a little different. I love it though. And they gave me honors kids. So I went from teaching very low babies in elementary to teaching very high kids in 7th grade. So it's been, it took me out of my comfort zone, and I completely love it. This year has been really tough. With COVID, our district is completely online 6 through 12. And so it's been definitely a learning experience, learning new curriculum, learning new standards, but now I'm also learning new technology and how to integrate that into my lessons and still make the most out of it for the kids so that they're learning still and they're excited, because it's hard. It's hard for them, it's hard for us. It's a lot more work, and I really hope that soon I'll get them in person. It's a little harder to build relationships, but we've done it. Yeah, so I think that this class, I need it, first of all, but I think that I took it at the perfect time, not knowing that I was going to do that, but I did. I took it at the perfect time because I am completely remote teaching, and boy, could I use some help with some stuff on what to do without having to, I see all these websites out there, but they want me to pay, or they want my district to pay, so I'm hoping that I can get some great ideas to pull into my online teaching.